Hi, Tito Eric. Happy 50th birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga pasalubong and Aguinaldo. Ingat.
Hello, parang Eric. Happy birthday. 50 years old na tayo. Malapit na. Susunod, 60. Senior na tayo. Happy birthday, pare. Okay.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Eric.
Rick! Happy birthday! Ilan taon na? Ilan taon ka na?
Hello, Eric. Happy 50th birthday.
Oy!
Enjoy.
Celebrate natin yan. 50th.
More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.
Ingat kayo dyan lagi.
Hug mo ko kay Elise. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Eric! Happy birthday, Eric! Wala naman. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Eric! O, diba maganda? Happy birthday,
Eric! Oh, tapos na. Pare, happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Eric!
Putang ina, 50 ka na. Ayop naman. Talaga naman. Pares na kita.
Yun lang, happy birthday!
Ingat.
God bless!
Happy birthday,
Enjoy
pare.
your golden boy!
Biouch!
Happy 50th birthday Tito Eric. And wish ko lang sa'yo, Tito, good health, tsaka sana mag-ingat ka palagi sa lahat na pupunta mo dito. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Tito.
Hi Dick, happy birthday!
Hi Rick, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Derek!
I
wish you happy birthday if I could. I wish I could give you a hug if I could, but you're not here.
Yeah, he's in Abu Dhabi. Happy birthday! God bless! Enjoy!
And please don't see the video that she posted. I'm barely embarrassed about that.
Traffic.
Happy birthday, Ninang Derek. We wish you long life and good health.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Eric. Sorry po, nakatulog po ako. I love you po.
Oh, Eric, happy 50th birthday. More birthday. And God bless you more. Good health. Tsaka ingat lagi. Okay? Eric, happy birthday. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello. Kuya Eric, happy birthday. More blessing. Patuloy lang ang buhay. Nakaligtas na rin sa mga pagsubok natin. Yan, happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Salamat.
Monggo.
Happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday.
Ulit-ulit na ako. Nakadalawa na ako. Happy birthday.
Tapos kasi naglegle.
Hindi,
bumati ako
happy birthday, pre.
Happy golden birthday.
Golden, ano?
50 na rin yan si
50 tayo, pre. Pero si Kuya Bong, happy birthday.
Si Bong pinamati din rito.
Mas puti-puti si Munggo pag nakita mo yun.
Ay, happy birthday.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Go.
Mabuhay ka.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday. Eric. Okay lang ako dito. Walang problema.